Hi there friends. Today in the video I'm going to be sharing with you some exciting PR that I have gotten. Now as an older YouTuber, I'm 57, you know, and I've talked about this in the past, that we don't get a lot of PR. We just don't. So it's nice when a company other than a skincare company, which don't get me wrong, I love trying new skincare and I'm so grateful to those companies that do send me skincare, but it's nice to be able to try makeup too. But I had a surprise and I wanted to share it with you guys. Two surprises this time, and I really wanted to share them with you guys. First of all, the beautiful, talented Allie Glines had reached out to people in Utah, and she had sent out an email to her subscribers, and then also she did it on Instagram and think as well, that if you are in Utah, she wanted to come to your home and do your makeup, her makeup with you out of your makeup bag. Genius. This girl is genius, or whoever is helping. If it's Thailand, which is her husband, he's genius. Whoever thought this idea up. She's always so creative and got the best ideas. Anyway, I didn't sign up for that. What I wanted to do was just connect with them, because if they're in Utah, I'm in Utah, and I just thought, what a cool thing to be able to meet her, because I've been watching her for years. I've been on YouTube for 9 years, so I've been watching her as far back as I can remember. She's just one of the most genuine, caring, soft people. And when I say soft, she just seems like a very calm spirit. I'm a hyper one, but she seems like a very calm spirit to me. And her husband, Thailand, reached out to me after I sent in my response, and he was so sweet. And he said, can we send you out some PR for you to look at? And I'm like, well, yeah. And so it was really exciting. Now, I have all of her blushes. They sent me out all of her blushes, which, as you already know, I adore. It came with the 3 blushes and then this blush brush, which is so soft and so pretty. And if you have not seen her blushes yet, they are this cream to powder formula where they bake the cream and then it comes up with this powder, and it's this swirl of beautiful colors in here. And they are so nice and easy to work with. And you would think that when you look at a color like that, if you're soft, if your skin is very fair, not soft, that you would have to shy away from that. These are so easy to work with and they glide across your skin. You can build them up to be very stark, or you can really buff them out, and they're very soft. And that color, I should have told you, oh, good grief. Me and my glasses, right? This color is Oasis. So they're called the Endless Diffusion Everyday Baked Blushes Oasis. And then their pink color, kind of a peachy pink color, same thing, the swirl, got a little bit of lavender in there, so pretty. This one is called Daydream. And these are just, they're a very special formula. I think it's so great. This one is called Paradise. This one is kind of a diffused rose. Oh my gosh, this one is so pretty. It's like a natural rose on there. So pretty. So you can see how kind of light they are, but you can really build them up if you want to. So thankful for that. And then I got this little bag full of goodies as well. They sent me all of their new eyebrow pencils. Haven't even tried these yet, but I will really quickly grab onto this taupe one because I know it's the one I'm going to use. By the way, I don't think I said this, but it's Ravie Beauty is her makeup line. So yeah, I will support this gal all the way. I actually did already have the blushes. Now I've got extra, which I love, but this has got that micro fine tip that everybody's going for right now. And then on the other side, the spoolie, which is always very convenient and lovely. And I'm so excited to go ahead and use these. I like that the formula is just a tiny bit stiffer than the regular ones, because I've had some of these in the past, like from Benefit Brow and also from CoverGirl, and they break off every time, and it's just so frustrating to me. So I will report back on that. They sent me 3 of their lipsticks and the lip oil, and I'm here to tell you this lip oil is so luxurious. Wow. I wore this last night to bed, and it was just like, it's very nourishing, and you can tell it's got some great ingredients in it. And my lips, when I woke up, they felt very hydrated. So I'm really excited about that one. And then 3 of her lipsticks. This is a satin lipstick with full color payoff on it. So beautiful. That one is kind of just a bare skin nude. It's like medium nude maybe. And then this one is Lily. Oh my goodness. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. Okay, pause, please. I'm going to put that one on my lips. I have a lot of lip products in here today, but this is pretty. Feels so good, feels so nourishing. A lot of color payoff on that. Very pretty. And then this last one is Peony. And I always say peony and you guys get on to me because that's how my grandma used to say it. So very, very pretty colors, like a neutral pinky peach, and then the pink, and then the nude. So beautiful, luxurious, very, very beautiful. And then this cool bag that they sent me. Just a really cool bag. By the way, Tylen and Allie of Ravie Beauty, thank you so much for being so generous. The next thing I got sent is from Fleur, the fragrance company. And I had just mentioned that their Missing Persons is one of the ones that I absolutely love and have used forever. Well, they sent me their new launch of their body and hair mists. And so Beach Skin smells a lot like Missing Persons, but it also smells like you just hit the beach. You know, Sol de Janeiro always says that, but this one has it. And it's so nice. I'm not gonna put that one on because I want to put the other one on. It is, it's a really beachy, vanilla-y, coconutty. It just smells like you've been out on the beach all day long. You know how your skin soaks up the sun and you have that yummy smell on it? That's what it smells like. This one is Peach Skin. Now the reason I like this is because you guys know I love a good fruit fragrance, and this peach, it smells like fresh peaches. Oh, it's just a great smell. Fresh peaches with that beachy smell in it. Beautiful smell. I'm gonna put some in my hair. Just love it. So pretty. So really like those. And Fleur, thank you so much for being so generous and including me. Makeup Forever has been sending me some products for a while. I don't get to talk about them very much because sometimes I'm sick, sometimes I just don't get to talk about them. But look at this cool thing they sent. Isn't that awesome? So they have all of these colors in here. I'm not going to take the time to swatch all of these, but I do want you to know that this is a fabulous formula. So creamy, so blendable. I think this might be a new color, Endless Berry. So I've got to like tear into this and see for you guys if this is a new color. Well, that's an exercise in itself. Trying to get the plastic off of that liner. Ugh. Okay. Yes, I think this is a new one. Boundless Berry. I don't think I've seen that before from them. So there might be another color. Oh, it's pretty. It's so pretty. It's like it's a cool toned bright pink. That's really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, very, very pretty. So let me just swatch a few of these. You can mix and match these. You can put them on your lips. You can do whatever you want to with them. I can't see that. The Endless Cacao is what I think that one is. Great contour color. So pretty. And let's do a highlighter one. This one is called something gold. Can't see it. Blind as a bat. Don't know, even with my glasses. Oh, so pretty on that highlighter. Whew, that is beautiful. Even blended out, that is gorgeous. Sometimes you blend them away, blend them out and they blend away. That's really pretty. And then let's see, this is looks like a pretty blush color. Let's try this one too. I don't know what this one is either. It's something pink. You guys, I have issues. Okay, pretty, blendable. Oh my gosh. What Makeup Forever does is they make formulas that last, and I love that about them. They do such a good job on their formulas. So those are the new releases from them. All right, Kosas sent me this a while ago, but they sent it to me with their pink powder and their butterfly blush, which I love their blushes. But I already had the pink powder and the butterfly blush, but I didn't have this. And I think these are so pretty. They are called DreamBeam Sunlit Comfy Smooth Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 40. It's a mineral SPF. It has peptides, ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and allantoin, which I don't know what that is. Somebody tell me what allantoin is. Skincare powered is what it says. Kosas always has great products with great ingredients. Now, I'm excited about this. It's really pretty. It doesn't have like a bunch of color in it, but it has a little tiny bit of color in it. And for me, as fair as I am, that is beautiful. So if you're going to the beach or whatever, you put this on as your sunscreen and you can reapply it. Wow, really like that. And it feels like a mineral one. Doesn't look like it's going to give a cast or anything. Feels very hydrating. But I thought that was quite pretty. It says wear alone or as the perfect sunlit base for makeup. I don't know if I'd use this as a base. It is water resistant for 80 minutes, by the way. I don't think I'd use this for a base. I think I would always wear it alone. So I like that a lot. But the other thing that they sent me, and this was way after they sent me that other one, is they have three new colors of their blushes, and I want to swatch those for you. Getting too excited. So the first one is called Chills Cool Vibrant Berry. These are the Blush is Life. And let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, that's so pretty. Woo! That is pretty. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Wow. Let's go down here. Whew, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love that color. Okay, if you're fair like me, you can do this. Just take your brush, dip it in there a little bit, and then pat it in your hand before you start to blend it out. That way you won't get patchy or get too much on at once, but that's pretty. The next one is called Warm Peach. It's called Wavelength. Now you guys know how I don't normally do warm, so we will see how this one goes. That's a really, really pretty peach. Somebody is gonna absolutely love that. I don't think that I could wear this. I know I couldn't. It's like on the orange side, but I don't know. Maybe I would try it sometime, because with blush you can always go over top of it. So that one's beautiful. And then this last one is called Heartbeat Vibrant Red. Remember, Kosas is a clean brand, and they have good ingredients in all of them. So pretty. Oh, this is a hybrid of the berry and the peach. That's really pretty too. Okay, that is like a hot pink. They have a lot of colors in these now, a lot of colors. So thank you to Kosas for sending this out to me. What a nice treat to be able to have all their colors. Pure Cosmetics sent me out some of their lip glosses, Blackberry Smash. I love this formula. It's got a tiny bit of a tingle. You know what this one reminds me of? Black Honey by Clinique right there. That's what that one reminds me of. Yep. And then this one is more of a nude color, and it's called Soothing Plum. To me, it looks kind of nudish. Nudish. Is that even a color? Is that even a name? Actually, they look close to the same, don't they? Wow. These actually have a little bit of the plumping properties in them. A Strawberry Sorbet. This one is the one that I was really looking forward to trying. Pretty. So you've got a little wash of color with quite a bit of sheer, and then you have the great skin ingredients, and it feels so good on your lips. It feels a little bit heavier than a traditional lip oil, but not sticky heavy. So very pretty. Pixi sent me out all three of their new lip masks, and I'm not going to, I actually already gave the orange one, which I don't know what the color of it was, but this is the red one, and it is Amore. And I really like the formula of these. I just have so many lip masks that I want to share the love with that. But here is the one that is called Sucre. And then, you know what I love about this color is it has a little bit of shimmer in it. I'm the shimmer girl. Oops, flipped you off. Sorry. I'm the shimmer girl. I love shimmer on my lips. So I'm always going to gravitate towards a shimmer. But this one felt really hydrating too. I've tried this several times at night, and it works really well. It has this funky little applicator right here, which I don't know, sometimes Pixi gets a little gimmicky, but you can dip it down in instead of dipping your fingers in. I don't mind dipping my fingers in my makeup. It's just me. So yeah, anyway, like that one. And then lastly, you guys, Morphe sent me out this huge care package. I am so grateful that they did this. They have every single eyeshadow that they just released, and they have all of their little cream single shadows that they released for bases. I'm going to show you just up on screen a picture that I just took off the internet. Otherwise, I'd be here all day swatching all of these. They have truly nailed the color scheme that everybody's looking for right now. This one I feel like is a very cool tone. It's got a rose in there. It's got this gorgeous purple like topper in there. I love that. Okay, I gotta do that a little bit. Look out, we're gonna topper a little bit of purple right there. So pretty. Look how pretty that is. Wow. This is so pretty. I really love that. And then if you haven't tried these, they're little chrome ones. They are so reflective and they're so bright. And if you are, oh, that one is more like a topper too, but look how reflective it is. Very pretty. There's one that's not in here because I'm not going to open it because I knew I wouldn't wear it at all. Not one color in there because it was so warm. So I'll show you that right here and the name of it right here on the bottom. But let's move on to the next one. And the next one is called Outer Spice. And so even though, you know, you think spice, you think very warm, and this is a very warm gold, obviously. But that pink right there, oh, that pink is so pretty, and it's a topper too. I don't know. It's like Morphe is doing so much better now, and they're upping their game and their quality and everything. So I really like this one as well. I love that they have these beautiful two cool tone pinks in here. Sorry, my mirror's over there and I'm always looking over there. Great formula, super, super easy to blend. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long ways. I love this color. I love this color right here. And you know, sometimes you see these colors that are darker and you think it's too hard to wear. Wear it on the middle of your lid right there, and then wear something a little bit lighter in here, and then you have your depth shadow out there on the outside. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And look at that fuchsia. I don't think that's a color that I would use, but wouldn't that be fun for maybe a party or something? No sparkle in that. That's just a high metallic. Wow. The next one, I always do that. I always throw my glasses off because I can't see different depths. Rich Glitch. This one, wow. Okay, cool tone all the way. So pretty. Very metallic again. But these metallic colors, they're really, really special, the metallic ones. That's a metallic topper for sure. You could wear that over a deeper color and just boom, you'd have such a pretty smoky look. Oh gosh. And then I do love just their shimmers are beautiful as well. This next one is called Sky-Fi. This one is a pastel-y, different colors. It does have a darker color in there. Look at those, so pretty. I used to love wearing a bright, that's not bright blue though. Look, it's purple. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but that's purple. So you might take like this powder blue right here, put it on. Sorry about the hand shaking. This is what it is. That's my disability. Put it on and then top it with that. And wow, so pretty. So this is, oh, I am so excited about these. So that's their 6-pan palettes. These are the 12-pan palettes. Electric Current. They have really good graphics on there. Their packaging seems to be upgraded as well. I'm excited about that. This one is one that I kind of wore today on my eyes, and I thought the color story turned out really good. I just love them. I love their formula. I'm really digging on their formula. I don't know if they've changed it or not. And then this one is called Moonstone. Quintessential cool tone palette. Couple of little neutrals in here. Browns. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. This is so, so pretty. They have their light colors are really good for brightening your inner corner or your lid. And then you don't have to wear shimmer if you don't want to. And I love that they have so many mattes in there. And then the last one, I didn't show you the artwork on the other ones, I'm sorry. Rose Frequency. Very pretty. And this one is a little bit warmer, but still a lot of very wearable colors in here. I did use this one as a transition color today, and I thought that was so pretty. Left these out today, but if you go back and look at the video right before this, which is what's new at the drugstore, it's in there. Do you enjoy seeing PR, or is it, do you feel like it's bragging? I feel like these companies send us PR so that we can tell you guys whether or not they're worth your money. Love you. Take care of yourselves. Come see me really soon in my next video. Take care, my friends. Bye-bye.